How do I activate the WPS feature on my Nighthawk R7000P?
Hello everyone. Today, we're going to walk you through how to activate the WPS feature on your Nighthawk R7000P router. The Wireless Protected Setup, WPS, is a simple method to connect a device to your network without having to input your password.
What is WPS and why do I need it?
Before we proceed, let's talk briefly about WPS. WPS stands for Wireless Protected Setup, and it's an easy way for devices to connect to your network without needing to know your Wi-Fi password. Instead, WPS uses a button or a pin to authorize new devices. This is a handy feature if you're adding multiple devices to your network.
How to locate the WPS button on your Nighthawk R7000P router.
On your Nighthawk R7000P router, the WPS button is located on the back of the router. It's a small, round button labeled WPS. You might need a flashlight to see it properly if it's in a dark area. It's situated next to the 4 Ethernet ports.
How to activate the WPS feature.
To activate the WPS feature, you have to press the WPS button on your router. Follow the steps below. 1. Turn on your router and ensure it's connected to the internet. 2. Press the WPS button located on the back of your router. The WPS LED on the front of the router should blink. 3. Within 2 minutes, go to the device you want to connect and select the network you want to join. 4. If your device supports WPS, it should connect to the network without needing to input a password. Remember, the device should be in the vicinity of the router to ensure a strong signal for connection. And there you have it. You've successfully activated the WPS feature on your Nighthawk R7000P router. This should make it much easier to connect devices to your network without having to remember or input your Wi-Fi password each time. If you have more questions or face any issues, feel free to reach out or leave a comment below. Happy networking!